In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the menu link underline in Squarespace in just a few minutes. This simple tweak can give your website a cleaner, more modern look and help align it with your branding. First, log into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace homepage and click the Login button. If you use your Google account, click Continue with Google for a faster login. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your websites. Select the site you want to modify to open the dashboard with all your management tools. Next, navigate to the Pages section. From here, look for Website Tools. This area gives you access to features beyond the standard settings, including customization options. Inside Website Tools, click on Custom CSS. This opens the code editor where you can add your own CSS to refine your website's design. Now for the key step. In the Custom CSS field, type the CSS code to remove the underline from your menu links. Once entered, you'll see the changes immediately in the preview window. Finally, click Save to apply your changes site-wide. This ensures your edits are consistent every time someone visits your site. And that's it. You've successfully removed the underline from your menu links, giving your Squarespace site a sleek, polished appearance. Remember, CSS customization is powerful, so feel free to experiment with other design tweaks to make your website uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Squarespace tips and tricks.